Angikhuleke kwabesilo, ngikhuleke kwizizwe zonke on a beautiful Thursday. Ulesine lo omama bomthandazo. Sisasekuyona inyanga ethi 16 days of activism. Bayaye bathi uyaphela ngo-December, uqala ngo-November kuphela ngo-December 3 if I'm not mistaken. But-ke uma ukhuluma nge-gender based violence into ya everyday kufanele sihlale sikhumbula everyday. But-ke angifuni ukuya kude kakhulu, bengifuna nje ukuthi congratulations to umfundisi uThulasizwe obuyele esikhundleni sokuba undunankulu wakaZulu, which is a great responsibility. Abuyela kuyo ake wasitesta isihlalo sakhona before. Wayesebuyela engene ecathulweni zamntwana kaphinda angene. Ngiphinde ngithi congratulations kwenkosi uZondi. Well, i-argument ikhona lapha nalapha, ngeke ngathi mangithi inkosi uZondi athi umntwana noNdumiso akusiyi inkosi, ukuthi ingonyama ithe yiso akusiyi inkosi. Wangibuza ukuthi wena uyawazi amakhosi, waye uzothi inkosi ikhona inkosi engaphansi kwenye inkosi, angithi ungaphansi kweqadi. Well, ngathi ngizosho enguzwile, angikwazi ukukhuluma okunye ngoba okunye angikwazi. But-ke bengifisa ukusho ngithi congratulations nako kaMancinza kwisihlalo sokuba uchancellor yaseNdlunkulu. Mhlambe nabanye aba-appointwe ngokwama-office ngokwezihlalo ezihlukene. I'm hoping ukuthi lama position abawanikiwe bazowahlonipha kakhulu, baphinde bahloniphe iNdlunkulu. I'm hoping ukuthi they understand that the first responsibility is to make sure ukuthi iNdlunkulu iyezwana, ongayiphutha ukuthi njengoba ingonyama ibheke emgonqweni womkhosi weshwamo kungenzeka ingene ingatheleleni amanzi nabakwabo nabazali nabanye abasondelene nayo, because umgonqo wokweshwama inkonzo esacred kakhulu esizweni. And irresponsibility yabo enkulu kunakho konke, because there's a difference between office the royal chancellor's office, mhlambe ekuyi-private office kokunye ngokwengonyama, ngoba maningi ama-committees akhona eNdlunkulu, maningi ama-office amakhulu amaningi ahlukene eNdlunkulu. And the private office ayisebenzisa kwe-office lesihlalo. It supports specifically the projects and the programs ngonyama uma suke khona. But isihlalo sisuke still sisakhandwe ngamakhosi o-12 athindekayo, ngoba ingonyama isuke ihlalele amakhosi nezindlu zonke zakwabo bese ibheka isizwe sisonke. So out of amakhosi awu-12 eNdlunkulu, 13 ngesilo ekhona wonke plus izindlu lezi ezinye ezingenawo amakhanda. Zikhona izindlu, zikhona zinkulu azinawo amakhanda, mhlambe zicishe balelwe lapha over 43 izindlu zakhona eNdlunkulu. And the responsibilities thereof, umsebenzi wesizwe specifically une ofisi elilona elisebenza namakhosi lawo ngokwesinqumo esisuke sithinta ubukhosi, ngoba without lamakhosi o-12 13 ngengonyama asikho yebo ingonyama iba nalizwi, but isuke i-consulte with the 13 with the 12 and mhlambe neNdlunkulu yonke. And also mhlambe i-advantage ebikhona kumntwana kaphinda angene ukuthi ube yilunga lomndeni kaZulu, so he has always been part of the meetings. Mhlambe okunye becishe kube khona nokuthi i-advantage esibe nayo ube ingxenye yokuqinisekisa ukuthi ubukhosi buba yilento okugcine buyiyona isikhathi eside, and ema esikhaleni on behalf of ubukhosi kwezinye izinto politically and otherwise. Mhlambe osengabonakala kuzoba difficult uma kuzoba la engena khona umfundisi uThulasizwe. Mhlambe that's where other challenges that have always been there endaweni yakhona, because akufani ukuqashwa komuntu wangaphandle nomuntu wangaphakathi, because owangaphandle come and goes. You can always ungaqashwa kusasa uvuka uxoshiwe kusasa kufanele kungena omunye umuntu kulezo icathulo. But the decisions of family, which is the Zulu royal family, athathwa collectively, and isihlalo as we speak isisendlini yesilo esikhotheme uZwelithini. Yebo sisesendlini yesilo bezizala isikhotheme isilo Busha or isilo uBhekuzulu. Mhlambe ke kuhlehla njalo kuhlehla ngezile ikhotheme ukuyale, but futhi endlini yasoSuthu. That's why isikhathi esiningi uzobona kuhambe omntwana uZebuloni bakhahlele ke ngaphandle ngokwe politiki yasendlunkulu yasegcekeni ebisilungiseka ke nokho. It's very critical that the parties working for the office private lengonyama, and mhlambe enye into ezoba different again, there are things ebekwazi ukungena kuzona umbambo ubo naye uphume ngama allegations ke akhomba ukuthi ngathi kunemali obani 4 million abatheni obani million. Kushuthi esihlalweni around isihlalo kuyaconza okuconzayo, asazi ukuthi imali ebikade itheni, but ngoba bayazikhuluma eoffice abayikhulumayo. So it's isihlalo esibucayi, but mhlambi advantage kuye nangendlela bezobehave ngayo. He is part of a family. Umntwana kaMbambo ubo abaningi bazi owner yase uSibongiseni Mbambo, owner yase Mushroom eMhlanga. I-difference mhlambe phakathi kwakhe futhi umntwana ubo as the chancellor ukuthi is part of a family, ukhulele kakhangela bayafana nabo umntwana uMthokozi abawokhazini bayingonyama. Mhlambe again i-difference phakathi umntwana uMthokozisi baka uNtombela, abantwana bakaNtombela, they are i-family bazalwa khona la endlunkulu kanye naye ingonyama noma bezalwa esayidini lomntwana wesifazane. It's the very critical office which we respect a lot, because ilona kufanele lithi give a support specifically to the duties are private engonyama, because there are deals that are private, their deals are of the royal family. That's why namafa ehlukana. Because ike yathi ngonyama ke mntwana ngikhathele mina le moto ezincikiselayo ngicela imoto private engizohamba ngazo kangancikiselelwa, and at some point ike yakhuluma yathumela ukuthi kulandwe imoto ekundlunkulu ukaMayisela, but ayilandwanga. Ayilandwanga imoto ekundlunkulu zothuzi cishe ziyafana actually, enye inkudlwana kunenye, and the other one ivela from the late king. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu bazoyazi His Majesty one nelandela leyo ethengwe uhulumeni. The other one okay ngizothi uhulumeni ngoba ingonyama transport uhulumeni sisaselapho. Ujaji sezela afika naye ithuba kuyena, and we'll be seeing more people. Isikhathi esiphila kusona siraf ngalendlela, and siyathemba ukuthi ubulungiswa buzokwenzeka kwisimo esibhekene naso. Mhlawumbe icase kaJaji ngaqala ukuyisebenza a long time ago, but kuze kwaba ngesikhathi iqala ifakwa omnumzana uMgwengwe, sasebenzisana ne-office ngonyama transport emakhasini amanye nje akajikajika nje kungenzeki lutho. Ngaze ngayohlala e-officeini le-province, e-officeini la General Hope, namanye nje amadocket ukuthi engathi siyithola sinenkinga kuyanda, ayaqhubeka ama-claims outside into yamamiliyoni amanye bekhulunywa ngayo, ngazi ukuthi ashonephi, kunamanye ngaphezulu namanye ngaphezulu alokhu kuyaqhubeka kuyanda ngaphezwalokho kuza nemihlaba eminye ngathi yaqhubeka iyathengisa nokunye kuyavela base Newcastle Mall ngathi ube ne-stake khona kodwa manje basakwazi ukuqhubeka bakhokhe because imali bona bebazi ukuthi i-holdings imele iyona esikhona phakathi kweNgonyama Trust but unama-shares khona lapho ujaji ngingankanti but engifisa ukusho mhlambe kubantu nje abasebenzela indlunkulu nabasebenza eduze kwendlunkulu ukuthi owasendlunkulu uyashisa umlilo ungawothi ngesifuba uzosha uyashisa but njengoba ngisho ukuthi as long as they understand ukuthi they are working there as long as they understand ukuthi they banemngcele you may see kune-disorder endlunkulu which others are creating nge-purpose because abafuna ukureprimandwa bafuna ukuzenzela ngendlela abasuke befuna ukuzenzela ngayo but isihlalo akusinto yokudlalela so mhlambe ngizosho lamazwi omunye uzothi why ngizothi congratulations kumfundisi uThulasizwe engani wena ubuhubhana nomfundisi uThulasizwe ngangiyomfuna in the first place because there's a specific role ebekufanele idlalile wayidlala futhi up until wakapaka kwe-role abeyidlala and nginalamazwi one angaze ngibe nenxa nomfundisi uThulasizwe ngeke futhi ngize ngibe nayo namhlanje if abantu bezothi beumhubhe Bloemfontein bengimhubha because I needed him to pay attention I needed him to answer to izinto abezenza at the time and some I still need them to answer to bona even emshadweni wendlula mithi ngifike ngambingelele okokuqala masise esigodlweni phezulu angi-avoid njengoba engi-avoida la nimbona khona emavidweni mphinde sibayeni angi-avoid uzaphume emva kwami aputshuke emva kwami ithi mina mfundisi it wasn't personal don't take it personal akho personally umsebenzi lo usemsebenzini wonke umuntu uyathethisa wonke umuntu uyabuza kufanele abuzwe khona so it's not personal then we met kwi-reception again obekhuluma noNhlanhla Mdaka at that time wadlula obingelela umuntu ongale kwami then egcineni wabona ayikho lento agcine eyihambela ngesikhathi ahambe ngaso of which akawuqedanga umshado by the way but it's not personal it can never be personal to me whoever that is working for indlunkulu should be appreciated should be guided and appreciated only la esophambana khona is where usuzokwenza that is against what is supposed to be done it's where usuzokwenza la osukhohle ukuthi uzosavisa ugcina usudictate ama terms yebo indlunkulu ngabonakala mhlambe kune disorder but you don't overlook the leadership that is there you don't overlook the family that is there you don't step onto other people's toes and bully others but understand ukuthi you are serving the royal family and taking orders from the royal family because undunankulu njengawonke amanye amakhosi angithi ebukhosini nje obujwayelekile because abantu they think ukuthi obakaZulu kufanele babutshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni as if buhlukile from obunye ubukhosi ubukhosi obuncane obungaphansi kwendlunkulu yakaZulu indlela ophila ngayo nanempilo ephilwa ubukhosi ba-family member nje because even emndenini indoda iyikhanda and inkosi yomndeni wayo ibe nondlunkulu wayo noma-ke unkosikazi wayo masekuziwa endodeni yesizwe endodeni yesigodi so kaZulu nasemakhosini wonke kufike kube nenkosi yalezo sizwe besiba ney'nduna undunankulu uyena osuke between isizwe leso nenkosi njengomuntu othunywayo not that inkosi ayikwazi ukuzenzela umsebenzi directly isuke ikwazi ukuzenzela umsebenzi directly but wena uthatha ama-orders and instructions from inkosi so elikandunankulu lifika kanjalo number 2 the office of undunankulu still doesn't have a budget still doesn't have an office eliqondile it doesn't mean that i-office likandunankulu will operate office, the private office of the Zulu Kingdom, because the responsibility is too great. That's why we'll always appreciate umsebenzi wakamntwana waphindangene, because ngesikhathi ekhona kuhulumeni ugovernment KwaZulu Natal, he built an institution. He built an institution kanjani. He had offices abekade operator ngegaba ehlukene and enama budget, and including the Prince Mangosuthu and Oppenheimer Foundation, where Professor Otinqumala usihlalo wakhona up to date. Zonke lezo zinto izo that was supporting indlunkulu ngokwe office le Landunankulu. And again, ebe waba ku government before, which was an advantage. It was an added advantage, especially because government KwaZulu Natal uke waphathwa inkatha, also omasipala abaningi bebephethwe inkatha. So it was easy for umntwana waphindangene to juggle around into ye budget, because yonke indawo bekwazi ukuthi abe access to money. So it's not an easy office to deal with, and linjalo you take orders, you take instruction from the cabinet yendlunkulu. So it's two different offices, the private office of the king and the office elinondunankulu, where he takes orders from inhlangano esikhishi ukuthi hamba uyokwenza into ethile. So he cannot function njengomntwana waphindangene, because he was family umntwana waphindangene, and besephilile wabusa kanye namakhosi at least amathathu ingonyama ezintathu 4 ngendlula mithi. Now uma ukhuluma nge monarchy, it's the institution where you don't wake up and do as you please because you can, just because you have money, just because you can, because unamandla or anything. No, you consult and you are advisor. That's why lingasebenzi lodwa kunama advisory council and others. Mhlambe even nosolwazi nosomlando abebephinde babe ingxenye yoku-advisor, because fanele ubuye uconsult ukuthi lokhu yebo ngokwelogic fanele ngabe kwenza ukuthi, but ngingakwenzani kanje, bese ubheka ukuthi emlandweni bekwenzeke kanjani. Khumbula ukuthi mhlambe the generations amanje okuwona thintekayo akekho okhona owa previous generation kobaholi abahlele eduze kwendlula mithi. So if the new sheriff is in town, there are things ezosalela emuva, because the institutional memory abakwazanga ukuthi bathi carry yona beya forward. And also umuzokhuluma ngezinto ezithinta isihlalo. That's why umfundisi uThula Sizwe ngesikhathi ezama ukudispendisha i-committee le-landmark from kaCocktail lalikade lithinta umntwana ombonisi, kwangaba lula because awukwazi ukuvela udispendishe i-committee ongalazi ukuthi liyisima kanjani. One, is it his responsibility or whose responsibility? That's why indlula mithi iphinde yalifixa ngendlela elifixa ngayo. But you still need people who have institutional memory for consultation purposes, so that you don't make mistakes. Remember, when you are talking about ubukhosi, it's the only thing enika abokufika ebahlalisa ngesinqe sisodwa, because when you talk about ama-archives, when you talk about umlando wesizwe nesizwe, ila ebefike sibabhithe khona, especially uma ngabe khulunywa ama-land claims, uma khulunywa ngama-thrones, because bekufika omunye athi umlando ubukade uthi ngesikhathi esithile kwenzeka ukuthi, or abanye bawu-erase ngamabomo omlando. Then you go back to ama-archives for that purpose, but also amanye abesaphila, amanye ama-archives asaphila, abantu abadala bakulezo indawo, and ibona who can only confirm umlando sukukhulumisa either isihlalo or ama-claims akuleyo ndawo ngokwey'ndawo. I'll make an example ngendaba yobukhosi bakaMkhwanazi nabasemancubeni abanendaba yombango wendawo njengamanje. There are archives not the latest ones, the updated ones, mhlambe asethinto demarcations board because of the maps asuke ekhandelwa izinto zako IEC la bekade kuthi mangabe kuhlukaniswa imingcele khona ihlukaniswe ngokuthi stronghold senkatha sikuphi because uANC ubufuna ukudominate kuleyo ndawo ngaleso sikhathi, then they'll be using ama offices athile ngoka demarcations no demarcations board ukuthi bancinze kuleyo ndawo. But originally imap yaleso sizwe beyikade ithini bese kusetshenzelwa phela kwezinto ezinjengalezo. So uma sikhuluma ke ngalezi izinto ehamba iphehla isizwe zisusudlame, and you need to be sure ukuthi especially esikhathini esinjengalesi la kusuke kuzwa oDecember khona kuqinisekisiwe ukuthi ayikho into evusa uhlevana, ayikho into evusa usinga esizweni nemsindo nayo yonke enye into. So it's something like that. That's why ngithi ake sibabongise abangena kuleli office, and there are other offices that we need to take into consideration, and there are other parties that we need to take into consideration, and bayadinga ukuthi becetshiswe kulezo zinto lezo. So mina nje okokuqala bengathi itask yokuqala ephuthumayo, because i-office likaNdunankulu lisuke lisebenza nami, into ephuthuma kakhulu kunayo yonke enye into indaba ukuthi the family ibuyela ndawonye, iphuthuma ngalendlela because esibayeni ingonyama esuke ingasala ngisho ukusala uma ngabe kuthiwa kunezinto engahlanjululiwe icayi ngalendlela indaba ugonqela umkhosi weshwama. Remember, it's a prayer. Umkhosi weshwama, it's the first fruit and the prayer yesizwe. Inkonzo engcwele ngalendlela yokuthi kusuke kufuneka insizwe ingakathombi zizobuthwa lapho, zingakathombi zibulala abantu bebeba excited nje ukuthi kubulawa ibhuli ngesandla, laba abanye abendlu yokuhamba bona bafaka SPCSA ukuthi ku brutal nani izinto zesizwe. Before that umgonqo wenziwe properly, and of which kuzobe kuumgonqo wesilo mhlambe engicabanga ukuthi yebo beyile khona obukade sesandla, but I'll say this one kuzobe ngoqala specifically ubhekene neshwamo ebeliyaye lenziwe ingonyama ekhotheme ngalesi sikhathi sonyaka. So umcimbi obucayi ngalendlela, of which I must say again, Indlulamithi has done very well, exceptionally well. Under the circumstances zonke bekade zikhona, it's been clean, and it's been over 7 months. Ngiyabona abanye bayasho la social media bethi hey ibidlile ibidakiwe, hayi bafowethu ningasondela eduze kwayo, ayisayi kweKafaro, kuningi futhi engasakwenzi khona, of which he has done well for isihlalo, and he just needs the support of the family. Mhlambe ziningi izinto enga-interpreteka ngazo ukuba khona kaMfundisi uThulasizwe njengoba already inkulumo zekhona ukuthi mhlambe kukhona kwenzile naye or kwenzakalani regarding indaba yesihlalo, especially because abanye bazi ukuthi kunombango obvious between uPremier kaZulu Natal oke kwanama allegations ukuthi uyigejisa Indlulamithi ngo-11th hour sekufanele ihambe ifanele ihambe nendlovukazi baye eDubai. I mean noNdlunkulu Mawewe kufanele bahambe baye eDubai. Well i-office ngokaMntwana Thulani bathi yafika ntambama into yama-bookings ukuze ihambe Indlulamithi, but umbuzo ngapha kwelinye side ukuthi uma ukuthi yayifike ntambama, how come uBongani nabanye bakwazi ukuthi babhukhelwe prior bahambe basondelele eGoli uma ukuthi yafika ntambama. So ama-politics ke singeze singene kuwona, ama-politics eqembu, but we are hoping ukuthi akuzoliwa the political battles ngesihlalo. We are hoping ukuthi akuzoliwe ezinye izimpi ngesihlalo. Imbuzo kilokhu ibile khona ukuthi because there were allegations yathinta uMfundisi uThulasizwe with regards to indaba zabo Mamkhabonene, with regards to ama-political killings, njengoba ama-docket nje kumanje iPKTT isakhulunyiswa futhi sesekuMadlanga Commission and also kwi-ad hoc commission njengoba kugcine kade kugcine kukhona uMinister Senzo Mchunu osabekwe eceleni. mhlambe izinto esingayiyekela wona those committees ukuthi alibhekele lo daba but kuye kuthiwe ingonyama yomlomo ongathethe imanga lokho esikushilo umuntu ubani ukuthi akuphikise. We are hoping ukuthi bazoseva ngendlela ekufanele baseve ngayo the politics and other things. We are hoping ukuthi abazogibela phezulu kwesihlalo and the politics abo ke futhi awazongena phezulu kwendlunkulu noma ke abekhona ama reservations mhlambe ngokuka umabhalane waye ingonyama siqu like uMr Fako ukuthi ezinye zezinto bezibasebenzisa kanzima because umfundisi uThula Sizwe besalwa izimpi zakhe efuna ukubuya and they are imposing inkatha phezulu kwengonyama and those things that's why he had to motivate indaba yokuthi kube khona vote of no confidence ebifakwa inkosi uChiliza against uBabMntuli nakho esinethemba ukuthi umsebenzi uzoqhubeka clean without ama politics and bonke laba bantu they must remember indlunkulu iyona bayisebenzelayo. Their politics and other things are not important. They are important to understand but not to operate ngawo or ukugcwaliselana ngawo or to bully others. And we are hoping ukuthi irresponsibility kaNdunankulu umesuke inikiwe uya understand ukuthi it's not to bully people, it's not to overstep, it's not to bulldoze izinto ukuthi uzenze ngendlela ekufanele uzenze ngayo efuna wena, which was the reason mhlambe ukuthi egcine ephuma before. But you take orders ube umuntu othunywayo njengoba kusuke kufanele uthunywe awuyithumi futhi because kwesinye isikhathi besibabona abanye bezithuma afike sekhuluma izinto angayithunyiwe. So as long as you respect the protocols akhona endlunkulu, all officers and the order ekufanele observiwe endlunkulu without stepping ezinyaweni zabanye abanye are making ama allegations that I should yamsebenzela imali umfundisi uThula Sizwe mhlambe imali yakhe kuzofanele imsebenzele ekwenzeni sure ukuthi indlunkulu iba independent from the bullying from the government from the bullying from ezinye zezinto uma ukuthi imali yakhe yamsebenzela akimsebenzele kulokho ekwenzeni sure ukuthi akazoyidriver indlunkulu akazoyidrive indlulamethi just because he needs ukuthi akhelwe isigodlo, he needs ukuthi akwazi ukuba independent, he needs money and all those things. Mhlambe also influencing ukuza ka-government ondini njengoba kwakuhleliwe ngokwabantu abadala and eqhubeka ngokwe-responsibility ngaphansi kwesihlalo sobundunankulu. He won't bully ubukhosi, he won't bully amakhosi onke mhlambe okungaba nama-allegations avele ekutheni amakhosi agcina ecindezeleka ngendlela ekwenzeka ngakhona just because uCokta unamandla. It's a very isihlalo esiyingozi kakhulu but uCokta nobukhosi abusebenzisani. So if he's working ngokweside lobukhosi manje not advancing izinto zama politics, he must work for ubukhosi caca ukuthi usebenzela ubukhosi hayi ucindezela ubukhosi because uCokta that what has been doing as the counter office ekhandela ukuthi iphuca amandla ubukhosi ukuze amakhansela ahlale ngaphezulu kwabo ukuze dictate ama terms for ubukhosi athi amakhosi engenamandla just because they pay the stipends bese phuca amandla. So in a nutshell, I want to say congratulations to all the people that have been appointed ema ofisini ngokwegaba ngokuhlukana kwakho, even na kwi-royal household as the royal support office elenza maintenance for indlunkulu, also kwi-royal support office phezulu ofisini lika premier and the DG yebo sasemoshe office. We are hoping ukuthi they will understand ukuthi when they talk about i-budget ethulo premier ethi kune 86 million ebheke endlunkulu, do they understand ukuthi what are the responsibilities thereof asuke lindelekile. Angithokoze kwabesilo. Another responsibility ke mfundisi uThula Sizwe iningi making sure that you defend the nation. as undunankulu ene responsibility. Undunankulu ke well akanayo responsibility ngaphezu kwamakhosi lawa athinta indlunkulu. As usukuthunywa kuhlangana wona, which is the cabinet yobukhosi bakaZulu plus amakhosi asuke landela ngale kwalokho. So you take orders. I-protocol yakhona ithi ayishintshenyana. The only time la umntwana waphinda angena bekwazi ukuba ngaphezulu khona it's because besikhuluma ngenkosi, inkosi futhi ewumntwana